Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on your Twitch account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Twitch application on your device. And once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, you can watch through various different live streams by just tapping on it. Now, if you wish to change your email address, tap on Profile at the bottom right corner and then tap on Account Settings. Now, from the account page, tap on Security and Privacy and you will now see your email. Go ahead and tap on it and then tap on the Change Email button. Now just type in your email address that you wish to change into. Now click on the Submit button and you will be asked to enter your account password for Twitch. Type in your password that you currently use to log into your account and then tap on the Next button. You will now be asked to enter the 6-digit code that has been sent to your old email address. So check within the inbox of your original email address and you will find the verification code. After entering this code, tap on the Submit button and now you will be asked to enter your desired new email address. Enter your desired new email address and tap on Submit once again. And now you will be asked to enter the 6-digit code that has been sent to this new email address. Check your inbox within the new email address and then enter the code that you see within. And finally click on the Submit button. And now you will be told that your email address has been verified and changed. Tap on the Done button and you will now be able to see your new email address within your email address section. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email within your Twitch account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.